Hi everyone, welcome to this video about N95 Non Woven Disposable Face Mask. What is an N95 Non Woven Disposable Face Mask? N95 Non Woven Disposable Face Mask is a type of respirator that can help to protect you from airborne particles including viruses, bacteria and dust. It is made of non-woven fabric that is coated with a special material that filters out at least 95% of particles that are 0.3 micron or larger in size. Why are N95 non-woven disposable face masks important? N95 non-woven disposable face masks are important because they can help to protect you from a variety of airborne diseases including COVID-19, and they are also important for protecting you from other airborne hazards such as dust and pollution. Now let's talk about how do N95 non-woven disposable face mask work. N95 non-woven disposable face mask work by creating a barrier between your mouth and nose and the air outside. The mask is made of non-woven fabric that has very small pores. These pores are small enough to trap most airborne particles but large enough to allow air to pass through. How to use an N95 non-woven disposable face mask? To use an N95 non-woven disposable face mask, follow below steps. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Place a mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the straps so that the mask fits snugly around your face. Perform a seal check by placing both hands over the mask and exhaling. If you feel air leaking around the edges of the mask, adjust the straps until the mask fits snugly. Now let's talk about when to use N95 non-woven disposable face mask. You should use N95 non-woven disposable face mask in a situation where you are at risk of exposure to airborne particles such as when working in a healthcare setting, when working in a construction setting, when working in an industrial setting, when working in a dusty environment, when traveling to areas with high rates of air pollution, when seek to help prevent the spread of diseases. Now let's go through the conclusion. N95 non-woven disposable face masks are a versatile and effective way to protect yourself from airborne particles.